a career in ag is not always what you think it's going to be. So what you think you might want is always just a stepping stone. It can either take you in the path that you originally planned to be on, but the opportunities are endless and you could end up absolutely anywhere in the industry. So don't think that the first step is the only step. It's a whole journey.
There's so many more opportunities available for young people, and it's not just about working on a farm. There's so many jobs along the supply chain from the point that the product leaves the farm until it reaches the plate. Really, agricultural careers are very professional, and so there's a lot more than just working on a tractor on a farm.
There are a whole lot of businesses now, as things become more technical and as the gear you're using becomes more expensive, who are setting up as independent contractors. So everything from sowing and spraying, and we get our ewes pregnancy scanned, and so there's a whole range of self-managed businesses that are now part of agriculture that I think in terms of careers and people who want to live in regional areas and make a living somehow, I think that whole self-employment thing is really significant for agriculture, and it's only going to grow.
Agriculture is probably one of the most important academic pursuits because we need more and more young people working in research and development.
I think a practical understanding of agriculture is essential, even for the people who design our labels, to really understand who we are and what we're trying to do. I think hands-on practical experience is essential, whether you're going for a UNE degree or whether you're going to a, very hands-on machine operations role. I think you have to understand how farmers work and think and how things work.
If you're interested in careers like dairy, you might go to Dairy Australia. If you're interested in horticulture, you would look at Hort Innovations. But Primary Industries Education Foundation has a website called Career Harvest, careerharvest.com.au, and it has pathway information, scholarships, a range of information, day in the life of videos about a range of careers, and it's targeted towards the needs of teachers and careers advisors. So you'll find lots and lots of information there on careers in agriculture.
The advice that I'd give to any Year 11 and Year 12 student thinking about a career in ag, or even just trying to decide what they want to do in life, is you will never regret a career in ag. You'll never regret training in an ag field. You'll never regret any of the life skills that you learn in that space. Even if it takes you on a journey that ends in way off the field places, start in ag and you'll be surprised where it takes you.